In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile bank account on Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set your reconciliation period, enter the right closing balance, and mark transactions so your books match your bank statement with confidence. First, open Zoho Books and head to the homepage. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Banking. This is where all your connected bank and credit card accounts live. You'll land on the Active Accounts view, which neatly lists each account along with balances and recent activity so you can pick the exact account you want to work on. Click the bank account you want to reconcile. This opens that account's transaction view. At the top right of this page, look for the settings icon. Click it, then choose Reconcile Account. This takes you to Zoho's reconciliation area, where you'll either start a new reconciliation or continue one in progress. To begin fresh, click Reconcile Now. You'll see fields for the start date, end date, and closing balance. These three pieces should exactly match the bank statement you're reconciling. Click the start date and select the first day covered by your statement. Then click the end date and select the last day of that same statement period. A helpful tip here: avoid overlapping dates with prior reconciliations and don't skip periods. Staying in order makes variance troubleshooting much easier. Next, click the closing balance field and type the final balance shown on your statement for that end date. Enter it precisely, including cents. If your statement includes a negative sign for overdrawn balances, reflect that here. Double check this number. Even a small typo can throw off your difference and cost you time later. When your dates and closing balance are set, click Start Reconciliation. Zoho will pull in all the transactions for that account within the selected date range. Your goal is to match what's in Zoho Books to what appears on your bank statement, so the difference drops to zero. Now, review the transactions listed and compare them line by line with your bank statement. Click a transaction you want to reconcile to highlight it and confirm details such as date, amount, and payee or description. If it matches your statement, click Reconcile. The item will be marked as cleared toward your closing balance. Work through the list methodically. If you spot a duplicate, a transaction dated just outside your period, or something that doesn't belong, resist the urge to change your reconciliation setup. Instead, skip items that don't match the statement for now and keep marking only those that clearly align. Many discrepancies come from timing differences, bank fees, or interest entries. If fees or interest are already recorded in Zoho, reconcile them when you see them on the statement. If they're not recorded yet, make a note to create the proper entry after you finish, then return and reconcile it in the correct period. Watch the difference indicator as you go. It should move steadily towards zero as you reconcile more items. Transfers between your own accounts must appear in both places to reconcile cleanly, so make sure those have been recorded and match correctly. If you accidentally reconcile the wrong transaction, it's fine. Just unmark it and continue. The key is to keep everything aligned strictly to the statement for the dates you selected. Once you've reconciled all matching items and your difference is zero, you're done. Zoho Books will treat the period as reconciled, and your books will reflect exactly what the bank reported for that statement. That's it. You've navigated to banking, opened the right account, launched the reconciliation, entered your statement dates and closing balance, started the reconciliation session, selected the transactions that match, and confirmed them with Reconcile. With this process, your financial reports stay accurate, audits go smoother, and you'll have clear visibility into any exceptions that truly need attention.